Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I brought for you beautiful room decoration, kitchen decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the bulbs, it's makeup for girls. You can see the lights and all the lights, bulbs and the decoration, beautiful decoration. This one also you can see the mirror, you can see the backside lights, ring lights and the lamp. You can see here the wall, the online lamp. Also you can see the plants, you can see beautiful. This one also you can see the mirror and the lighting, you can see on the mirror, and the down you can see on the bed, beautiful decoration and all. This one also it is very beautiful. You can see the small plants down, and the cupboards you can see beautiful cupboard, and you can see the small pictures and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the blue color and the mirror and the window, beautiful decoration and design. So this sounds very beautiful. You can see the laptop and all. A laptop you can take online classes or teach someone here online. The small plants you can see up at the top, and the lamp you can see. This one also very beautiful. You can see the chair, the table where you can study, use laptop or take online class or play games. Beautiful decoration and all. This one also very beautiful. The lights and all, and the blue color lights, and the wall you can see beautiful. The bed and the window you can see outside. This one also very beautiful. You can see the death. It is the emoji, very beautiful emoji, looking very good. This one also very beautiful. You can see the purple color lights and all, and the window you can see the purple color bed and all, beautiful color. This one also you can see the mirror, the lamps, the wall, the cupboards, beautiful cupboards, wooden theme, normal house, looking very beautiful. This is also a normal place like office. You can see this up the top plants and the side books. You can see the down, you can see pen and all, and you can see the laptop and all. This one also the ever picture. I like beautiful picture. You can see the purple color down, pink color, purple both mix, looking very beautiful. You can see the small photos, the wall. It's also very beautiful. You can see the chair, the up you can see the lightings, very beautiful light. The bed you can see very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful. The small room at the street, it's looking very beautiful. The plants, small plants, the mirror, the table, very beautiful. The books. This one also you can see the teddy. They will keep their toys and teddies up on there, looking very beautiful. Very good looking. The wall also very beautiful. You can see the mirror down. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lamp, the MacBook there down, laptop and all, very beautiful, very good looking. It's also you can see a beautiful place. You can keep your shoes, caps, anything you can keep. Beautiful decoration and design. You can see the lights and all, beautiful. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment me that I can bring for you beautiful room decoration. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all guys.